In this video, I will show you a highly effective trading strategy using one of the most accurate indicators on TradingView. This strategy shows great results on lower time frames like the 1 minute and 15 minutes. So, if you're a day trader looking to make quick and consistent profits, this strategy is perfect for you. It can also be used on higher time frames like the 1 hour and daily charts. It works exceptionally well on cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and altcoins, major forex pairs, and stocks. I have tested this strategy manually 100 times on the hourly Bitcoin chart, and here are the results. I started trading with an account balance of $5,000. Depending on the actual volatility and the session I'm in, I use around 5 to 10% of my account size for each trade. This means that if my first trade is a winner and I make a profit of $100, I add it to my account balance. So for the next trade, I have $5,100 and I am going to use 5 to 10% of this new balance for the next trade. The same applies to losing trades. If my first trade results in a $100 loss, my new balance is $4,900, and I use 5 to 10% of this updated balance for the next trade. Traders, before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This way you won't miss out on any of the powerful trading strategies I share, which can significantly boost your trading success. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Today, I'm excited to share a powerful strategy based on pullback trading. If you're not familiar with pullbacks, it's a technique where you enter the market after a temporary price movement against the prevailing trend. In simpler terms, you buy when the price dips slightly in an uptrend, and you sell when the price rises slightly in a downtrend. This approach allows you to enter a trade at a better price and can increase your potential profits. However, it requires careful analysis and timing to ensure that the pullback is just a short-term retracement and not a trend reversal. This style of trading can be quite risky on lower time frames such as the 5-minute chart, especially if you're not experienced. But don't worry, the strategy I'm about to show you in this video has minimal risk and is almost never wrong when it comes to trade entries. As an example, we are going to use the Bitcoin price chart on a 15 minutes time frame. The strategy includes one indicator only. In order to add the indicator, click on the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Premium. It is the most popular premium tool created by LuxAlgo. It has over 25,000 likes, which tells us that it is quite legit. So, click that to add it to your chart. Haven't heard of LuxAlgo yet? It's an all-in-one indicator with over 20 features designed to give traders useful signals and overlays. It's fully packed with tools for technical analysis. LuxAlgo is the top provider of technical indicators globally, trusted by over 50,000 traders. With the ultimate membership, you get advanced signals and overlays, estimates of institutional volume, and over 20 other premium features. These include highly rated indicators developed from community feedback, access to a Discord community with scanners and bots, real-time alerts, non-repainting signals, and much more. These indicators work on any market on TradingView, such as stocks, crypto, forex, futures, and commodities, and on all time frames. They're versatile, fitting any trading style like scalping, swing trading, or investing, and are great for uncovering technical insights. If you're serious about elevating your trading skills and building a career in this field, LuxAlgo offers 3 plans. The Essential plan includes the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. The Premium plan adds the Signals and Overlays Toolkit with built-in AI, plus the Oscillator Matrix Indicator and the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. I personally chose the Ultimate plan, which combines all 3 toolkits and 3 backtesting system strategy scripts. Alright, now let's click the settings of the Signals and Overlays indicator. For the signal mode, we want to use Contrarian and Exits. Set the candle coloring to Confirmation Simple and enable the Smart Trail set to 3 as well as the Trend Catcher set to 5. Now for the signals sensitivity. Depending on the asset and time frame you're trading, I'll recommend to use the autopilot sensitivity set to short term or use the manual sensitivity recommended by the dashboard. Our setup is ready. For today's strategy, our main focus lies on the Smart Trail. You'll notice blue and red waves on your chart that resemble a trailing stop. At first glance, you might think, just buy when it turns blue and sell when it turns red. But that's not the main utility of the Smart Trail. Its primary function is to serve as support and resistance, which might seem counterintuitive at first. Let me show you how to use it effectively for our entries. When the price is in an uptrend but then dips and enters the blue cloud, consider this blue cloud as a support zone. We bounce off this area and the price moves up again. Perfect for buy trades. As the price drops and doesn't match the blue cloud, we find the red cloud acting as resistance. The price bounces off it repeatedly, providing multiple excellent sell trade opportunities. These might be small price movements on a lower time frame, but on a higher time frame, they translate into significant moves. So basically, you want to watch for tests of the cloud. Use the smart trail as your support and resistance method to identify your entry points. When the price tests the blue cloud, think of it as a support area to enter long trades. Conversely, when it tests the red cloud, consider it as resistance for short trades. So, when exactly should we enter long or short trades? Here are the exact rules for a buy position. Make sure to pay close attention to every single one of them. First, the price needs to pull back into the smart trail. This means at least one candlestick needs to touch this blue cloud with its candle's wick or body. Second, the trend catcher line must be green colored. If both conditions are met, we can enter a long trade. Then we are going to book profit as soon as a sell signal is printed. And here's another buy example. We see the price action pulls back into the smart trail. The smart trail is blue colored, which means it's bullish. And second, the trend catcher line is green colored. So our entry conditions are met and we can enter a buy trade. Next, we are going to book profit as soon as a sell signal is printed. Moving forward, here's another buy example. We see the price action pulls back into the smart trail. The smart trail is blue colored, which means it's bullish, and the trend catcher line is green colored. So our entry conditions are met and we can enter a buy trade. And here a sell signal appears, so we are going to close our trade in profit right after the close of the candlestick. Now, before we're going to talk about the rules for entering a sell trade, let me show you one more buy trade example where there was no sell signal to exit a trade. So here we can see the valid entry conditions, but as you can see there was no sell signal printed, and as this trade was already opened since more than one day, I decided to close it at this candlestick where the bullish exit signal appeared. One more important aspect to mention is consolidation. For example, here we had a massive downward move that lasted over 2 days, followed by a significant upward move and another big drop. After such price action, the market needs to take a break, and you can see on our chart that the price starts moving sideways, indicating consolidation. When you spot this kind of movement, avoid forcing yourself into trades. You'll notice the smart trail changing colors frequently from red to blue and back again, but it's almost flat, signaling a lack of volatility. This is a clear indication that the market is consolidating, and it's a time when you should avoid taking trades. Alright, now let's go through some sell trade examples. We see the price action pulls back into the smart trail. The smart trail is red colored, which means it's bearish, and second, the trend catcher line is red colored. So our entry conditions are met and we can enter a sell trade. Next, we are going to book profit as soon as a buy signal is printed, just like this. Moving forward, here's another sell example. We see the price action pulls back into the smart trail. The smart trail is red colored and the trend catcher line is colored in red as well. So our entry conditions are met and we can enter a sell trade. And here a buy signal appears, so we are going to close our trade in profit right at the close of the candlestick. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.